How you doing, guys? This is Edward Deep Clean Pro Wash. We're in the area of Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we're gonna be doing some Christmas lights, something a little bit different from the channel. So what we got so far, installing these C9 million bulbs. We've been here about 30 minutes and we've already got about, I'd say, around 40 foot of lights. Let me show you a little bit closer. So we started on this left side and we ran lights all around here. Put your stop, extension, start again, stop, extension, and then we're gonna keep going. That's the professional way. I want to do it fast, quick money way is just keep running your lights and just take these off the sockets. Wouldn't recommend that. Looks very unprofessional. You're just gonna have tape. So yeah, we got some of our SPT1 cord. Now we're just gonna run it along the gutter, over that, and just keep going. Well, actually, almost forgot. So here we're gonna add an inline. Let me show you. Just put an inline. So basically what an inline is kind of running another leg here of wire. Just tap that in there, run a wire extension, and then you run your other piece of lights here. Almost forgot. Let me show you guys. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna cut that piece off here. Let me show you how it's done. See here, it's open. I'm not sure if you can see with the camera. Try to. Okay, there it's open. The wires, you're gonna kind of tap it into there. So we need to break this piece off right here. Just kind of twist it back and forth and there. We're gonna lay the wire in here. Just kind of clock it in here. So we always gotta make sure we line up. We're gonna run the lights here, extension, just kind of around this area. So tap that into there. Can't do it with one hand, so I'll have to kind of pause it, but you get the point. Got these call them vampire teeth here, and they just punch right through the wire. So this is what you get once you do that. And we just had our extension, bam bam. Run a piece of some lights here. Good to go. I'm not gonna run the lights yet. I'm just kind of leave that at the end. Keep running. That way I don't have to cut into my lights yet. Unless I have to cut in somewhere, then I'll bring a piece of lights here. Probably like, I don't know, like 8 or 10 foot of lights here. Good to go. So we're gonna leave that like that. So now we moved on to the next part, doing this arch here. It's the way we did it. Just clipped on to the metal. Okay, right at the peak. And you're just gonna continue. Okay, so for these situations, anytime you run into one of these, I'm not sure what you call them, gutter shields, this is what I typically do. Don't mind my ashy hands, but just slide it right in there. That's my little trick I've kind of figured out along the way. And now we're just gonna run extension. Same thing here. Kind of finish off here. So we're back at this inline piece that we left. Here we're just gonna run these it was about 100, about, I don't know, like 10 feet. We're gonna run shingle tabs, this piece. Just like this. Kind of tuck it in there. We'll fix it. Just gonna see how I need to see. How far I'm gonna be. I'm gonna push it up a little bit more. It's about maybe up here. And we just kind of clip it in there. And we just tap. Once pressure washing starts slowing down for me, which surprisingly it hasn't, so I have a lot of pressure washing scheduled for this month of November and Christmas lights, so now I'm having to do both, which is a good thing. But main reason why I started doing this is because when I first started, I would slow down around this season in cold weather. So I added this to kind of supplement. Well, now a little extra income for me. Doesn't hurt. I'll just fix that when I'm down there with the ladder. Okay, now I'm gonna add some extension lamp cord, whatever you call it. Okay, decided to get into the Christmas lights. I really need some lotion. It's bad. And the side where you see the kind of like rigid, I always, according to the instructions, always on the right side. And you kind of like, it's like two holes in there, stick one in each, push it all the way down, smash it. It's open there, it's closed there. I'm just kind of slide it right in. All right, pretty straightforward. Just gonna keep it right in here. I like to doing the cleanest possible work. Try to hide as best as you can that cable. Just run it up here and that's it. Other thing I also wanted to note, wherever your power is coming from, always end with the female, because in case you gotta like troubleshoot, you're taking off lights and you still have it connected. If the thing's connected, you're gonna get shot. So always, wherever the power is coming from, always end with the female. And it's basically female, male. That one's gonna be male. So power, female, always in with female. I'm just gonna run this extension from here to there. Need some lotion vase. This is really embarrassing. It's always when the cold weather comes. Well guys, we are finished with our installation. Got everything wired up properly. Now we just gotta run power up to the beginning of the strand, and that's pretty much it. Everything looks good. It's good to go. Everything's cornered out. This is where we left off, right there. I kind of run a cable through here and run back to the power. So how much we got left? Should be enough. All done, guys. Got the lights on. You probably can't see it, but just kind of started here, ran up, extension, ran up, all the way down, and this here were extensions or add-ons, whatever you call it. Well guys, that's it for today. Well, for Christmas lights, next job is window cleaning. It's kind of a new video I wanted to do. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to keep watching more content. Appreciate all the support. Peace.